All right, so JavaScript format, insert space after function keyword for anonymous functions. This is quite the long setting name. Define space handling after function keyword for anonymous functions. So let me show you what that looks like. If we go here, when you have an anonymous function like so, this is set to true, which means it's going to insert space, and they're talking about this space right here, right? And to me that makes perfect sense because the function keyword is not the name of the function. The function is anonymous, right? If you want to give it a name, you do something like that. And if the function has a name, I do enjoy the parentheses being flush against the name instead of having space. But if it's the function keyword, I would rather have the space. But just for the sake of, I guess, showing you this thing working, this is what it does. If you set it to false, but I'm going to leave it in its default value of true.